Accidents happen, and when they do, it can be a stressful and overwhelming experience, no matter the severity. At Nalley Luxury Collision Center in Roswell, our goal is to make the repair process as seamless as possible to get you back on the road quickly and safely. We offer collision repairs for all luxury brands and are OEM certified by Audi, Volkswagen and Bentley. Plus, as an iCar Gold certified collision center, you can rest assured knowing your vehicle is in good hands. From minor repairs to more complex issues, our factory-trained technicians have the qualifications and state-of-the-art equipment necessary to restore your vehicle's appearance and structural integrity. Get started today on our website with a complimentary estimate and see why drivers throughout the Atlanta area are choosing Nalley Luxury Collision Center.